Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by capturing the essential facts now: incident ID, precise time and location, and the reporting party's identification. Once done, interview witnesses briefly and record their names and contact details. This preserves leads. Make sure to log responding unit numbers and initial observations, damage, injuries, or weapons, because those shape classification. You will also tag the incident type categorically. This determines how it appears in the blotter and routes follow-up. Start filing these items immediately. Now you assemble the middle work, a detailed, chronological narrative that explains what happened and why it matters. Be precise. Use times, direct quotes, and physical descriptions to avoid ambiguity. Once finished with notes, reference evidence by tag number and storage location, and link any photos or CAD entries to the blotter entry. Make sure to cross-reference arrest or incident report numbers so readers can follow the case file. This creates continuity for investigators and public records staff. Finish by proofreading and confirming policy compliance, then get supervisory approval and the necessary signatures. Once approved, publish the entry with correct classification and access restrictions so it's searchable and auditable. If you discover an error after publication, do not overwrite silently. Instead, create an amendment entry, timestamp the correction, explain the change, and notify record supervisors. This preserves integrity and prevents confusion, because transparency in corrections maintains trust and legal defensibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.